Hello lovely friends, here's a sneak peek of one of the acrylic pour paintings today. I'm using a hairdryer and I'm trying out 4 different ways to show you how you can use a hairdryer to create a beautiful piece of art for your acrylic pouring. So thank you so much for joining me today, and thank you so much to all my subscribers and my lovely members. Thank you to Linda, Jill and Silver Dove in particular. Thank you everybody. So let's have a look at what we're doing today. We've got 4 different ways that you can use a hairdryer to create unique fluid art. So stay along for the ride. And today is another talent user, my amazing friend Kim, and talented artist, and I do whatever we fancy. So here is the first way that I use a hairdryer to create some unique fluid art. I'd love to know what you think. By the way, the link for the lovely Kim's creation video will be in the comments section and in the description below the video. So you can see here what I'm doing is I'm creating a white base using some really lovely smooth white paint. It's on special at the moment if you're in the UK, and it's Crawford and Black white paint. It's one of the best acrylic paints I've ever used. And using that with a little bit of pouring medium, which I use 20% pouring medium, 20% water, and then add that 50% paint, 50% pouring medium to create my base. And I use the same ratios for all of my paints, pouring medium to paint, acrylic paint. So my first paint down today is purple, and this is a demonstration one that I did for a commission that I've been asked to do, one of my biggest paintings, which will be, I hope to be showing that one next week. So today these are 4 paintings that I have tried out before I've done the commission. I tend to try it out a few times, especially when I'm using a really big canvas, and these are small canvases that I'm using today. So I've used some blue, so I'd say navy blue or midnight blue on top of the purple, and some gold. And the way that I've layered this particular painting today, by adding this iridescent blue on top and then iridescent pink and a lighter pink, is how I'm going to be creating the actual large commission canvas now that I've got it exactly how my client would like it. So it was such an experiment, and as I was working out what she liked, I was doing different paintings in different ways and asking her what she liked about it, what she didn't, and you know, whether she wants to have a lot of negative space, whether she wanted to see the lots of feathering all the way around the painting, and what sort of depth of colour, because it's really quite challenging with fluid art when you're layering the colours to know exactly what the colour palette is going to be when you blow it out. You never know completely, but now I've got a certain layering that she really likes. I'm going to try it and see how it goes. So really excited about that, and really excited about this one. It's one I'm going to keep, and it's drying in my art room at the moment. So you can see how I'm layering it, and I'm just going to just enjoy the music and just enjoy these 4 different ways. I've got 3 more coming up after this one, so you can see exactly how you could possibly use a hairdryer or a blow dryer to blow the paint out. And I'm using quite traditional Dutch pour techniques in this one, and playing around with the hairdryer. So I hope you have a lot of fun watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you towards the end of the video.
I feel it getting close, I feel the joy in the air. Everybody's going home to the people they care for the most. And I'm on my way, 'cause you're my happy holiday. Na, 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 na. You're my happy holiday. Na, 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 na. You're my happy holiday. You're my happy holiday. You're my happy holiday. Turning down our road, I'm like a kid again. I can't wait to see all of my family and all of my friends. I'm on my way, 'cause you're my happy holiday. 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 We'll tell stories, make our own. We'll sing songs the whole world knows. Oh, oh. Everyone we love is here, drinking up the season's cheer. Oh, oh. Na 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 na. You're my happy holiday. Na 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 na. You're my happy holiday. Na 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 na. You're my happy holiday. Na 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 na. You're my happy holiday. Na 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 na. You're my happy holiday. Do you dare to follow me down? Head into the unknown. Down the rabbit hole. Where it stops, no one knows. We're going down. We're going down. Down. We're going down the rabbit hole. Where it stops, no one knows. We're going down. 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 We're going Do you dare to follow me down? Head into the unknown.
How are you feeling? How are you feeling now? When all the pieces seem like they can't be found. I'll be the friend that is standing there. I'll be the hand holding all your cares. I see you now, I'm not going
So this is my last way that I've used a hairdryer today to create some unique fluid art, and I really hope that you've enjoyed coming on the ride today. So I'm blowing from the centre out, creating like a rainbow effect. So I hope you really enjoyed this today. Thank you so much for being here. Let me know in the comments below what you think about these techniques and what you think about these different ways, whether you've done something slightly differently, what you thought about the layering of colours, any suggestions for upcoming layering of colours on a white base. I really am a fan of a black base, and it was a real challenge for me to use a white base on all of my paintings to explore this way of doing my art. And I still prefer a black base, but I've learnt to really enjoy using a white base, and I'm going to experiment with it a lot more. Shelley art comes to mind, and August acrylic art, when I think about white bases and how amazingly they do with them, and what they do with so many different techniques. So check out their channels if you haven't already. So thank you so much for being here today. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let's go and see what the amazing Kim from Kim's Art Alchemy has done. This has been Talent Tuesday, and I've really enjoyed having you along for the ride. Thank you so much. Kim's video link will be in the description and the comments below, and let me know what you're up to. Let me know what you think, and I hope to see you again soon. Take good care, and don't forget that your art is a piece of you. I hope to see you again soon. Keep shining. Bye.
Someone you would say